There's a place on my website, CourtneyWarren.com, where people can write in and ask me all kinds of questions. And so sometimes they'll ask me their design questions, and I want to take some time and pick one at random and see what the answer is. See if I can answer it here. Okay, so here we have Shannon in Norman, Oklahoma. She says, I have small kids, and our coffee table ends up being our homework base, science project spot, and the artwork sweatshop. I end up moving everything off the coffee table over and over, and I don't even know if it's worth styling. What do you recommend? This is a great question. I think anything with small kids can be hard to pull off. So I want to give you some tips that I think will really help. So in coffee tables, I believe less is more. I always start with a tray. Next, I add a book or a stack of books. Then you just add a real or a fake flower. It depends if you want to keep it alive or not. I also use plants for this. I interchange flowers and plants all the time. And then the tray will make it really simple to scoot over when your kids are doing homework. Do you have a question that you need addressed? Go to CourtneyWarren.com, scroll down to the Contact Us page, and if you submit your question, I may answer it on the next show.
Rolling, go ahead.
Hey, good looking.
Oh.
Just kidding!
I need you to put that in the video.
That's what I do every morning.